Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. Let's get our circle time started. Everybody up. Put your hand on your heart. And let's say the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right. Get our calendar going. Who thinks they know what day of the week today is? What's today? Today is Monday. Monday, May 4th. So if today is Monday, what was yesterday? What comes before Monday? Sunday. Sunday, Monday, and that makes tomorrow Tuesday. So, yes, yesterday was the 3rd, today is the 4th, and tomorrow will be the 5th. Cinco de Mayo, the 5th day of May, Taco Tuesday. So that's what tomorrow is. Good job. Let's go ahead and do our weather. Are you ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? Is there sun or is there rain? All right, guys, go take a quick look. Okay, it is sunny here. You ready? The weather's sunny, the weather's sunny, the weather's sunny out today. It makes me happy, the weather's sunny, the weather's sunny out today. It is a beautiful day out today. It was a beautiful weekend. I hope you guys are outside playing a lot and get outside again today. All right, this week our books are all going to be different. And we're going to do science and math and number books. So this book is called It's Time. If you look at the cover, what do you think this book's going to be about? Telling time, learning the times of day and the clocks. So let's read it. The author is Carrie Johnson Gold. How can you tell the time of day? Is it time for school? She looks like she's dressed for school. Or is it time for play? We all love to play. Can you guess what time it is when the sun rises in the sky? When shadows fall upon the ground, or when the moon is way up high? So what time of day do you think this is? The sun's rising, it's coming up. It's morning. And then when the sun is way up in the sky, it is daytime. And then when the moon comes up and the sun goes down, what time of day is this? Nighttime. Good job. Which meal comes in the morning? At noon, which meal is right? And after school, when day is done, which meal do you eat at night? So what do we call the meal we eat in the morning? Breakfast. And the meal in the afternoon is lunch. And at the end of the day is dinner. To catch an airplane, train, or boat, it is better to be early, or is it better to be early or late? But how do you know if you're on time? So do you think you should be early, or do you think what would happen if you were late? Uh-oh, you'd probably miss your airplane. A clock will set you straight. A digital clock shows the hours and minutes with bright numbers that glow. So the first number is the hour, so it's 2. And the second numbers are minutes, 30. So this digital clock says 2:30. The hands of an analog clock will point to the time you need to know. So we have the fat hand that tells you the hour. So it's 2. And then the long hand is the minutes, 30. And the little tiny red hand that moves pretty fast is the seconds. So this clock, it looks different, but it says 2:30 as well. Find the time on a sign, on a table, or wrist. We find time in many places. So there's our clock again. And what do we call the clock on our wrist? A watch. And that also tells us the time. We can use time to count down to liftoff and to measure our speed in a race. How will you spend your time tomorrow? Today will soon be gone. Hours, days, weeks, and months. Time marches on. So we can count our times in different ways. By days, our calendar is a way to tell time. Our calendar tells us what month it is, what day it is, how many days are left, what's happened in the past. So that's a way to tell time. Looking at your environment is a way to tell time. Is the sun up? Is the sun down? Is it breakfast time, lunchtime, dinner time? But we also tell time with clocks. And there's all kinds of different clocks. Ones that show numbers, one that have the hands and the seconds, and our watch. So it's important to know and learn how to tell time, okay? Let's do a quick review of our sight words, and then we'll be done. Okay, are you ready? We have at, her, up, all, we, make sure you're saying them first, about, it, be, said, so, down, then, oops, your, to, for, like, a, you, can, is, see, in, the, here, look, and, me, he, no, this, am, I, go, my, but, had, are, got, on, and do. Good job, guys. I'm so proud of you guys. That's all 40 words. That's a lot of words, isn't it? All right, it's been great. I will see you tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.